Hello, for today's video I want to talk about this bamboo t-shirt that I bought a couple of months ago. Now, do I like it? Do I love it? Do I hate it? Well, let's get into it. So if this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make this kind of clothing and cleaning videos. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe. Anyway, let's talk about this t-shirt. I do find that they're a little bit expensive, costing a little more than you would find cotton t-shirts. But it also has some nice advantages, like it's pretty odor resistant, and it also kind of keeps the heat away from your body. But unlike merino wool, I do not think it retains the heat the same way, so if you're in a cold climate, probably not the best option. But if you're out exercising, or you're just in some hotter part of the world, this t-shirt would be an excellent choice. As far as the fabric goes, it's quite stretchy as well as soft. I do find that these are one of the more soft t-shirts I've ever worn. I would compare it in softness to maybe, it's hard to say, but it's definitely a lot softer than the regular cotton t-shirts that you will find. As far as durability and like the shape of the t-shirt, I found that it does, like most bamboo products, it does kind of stretch out, especially as you wear it throughout the day. Maybe after a fresh wash, it's kind of keeps its shape, but at the end of the day, you will find that it's kind of drooping and kind of saggy compared to what it was earlier. As far as washing goes, so far I haven't had any problems with it at all. It does wash like cotton at 40 degrees, but to be honest with you, I have treated these t-shirts a lot nicer. I've treated them like they're delicate, since they do kind of start to sag, and maybe I'm just not that confident washing them like normal clothes, to be honest with you. Compared to some of the other t-shirts that I've been reviewing in the past, I'm not sure, maybe I'll do a comparison video of that next week. I also want to say thank you so much for 10,000 views and almost 100 subscribers. I'm really happy about that, so thank you guys so much.